And that's on him, my mercy. Otimimu, he lives in me. Before this one, yet, Yamami Americans and so can. Oh, yeah. And I knew about gift your sense of Buremu. I'm not here, Shas, yeah. Bringing time to 28 after 3 on 106.3 Adom FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Good afternoon to you and welcome to your own show. Yes, Ofie Kwanso with me, Jerry Justice. Don't forget we are until 6. Then we bring you the news. Shouts to the team, Papa Bills, African, and man like Jamestown J. Cole. And as you already know, Tuesday. Until every Tuesday, I said, yeah, no. You better na yes, Abrabono. What I say about community and Sabini, and that's all about confessions coming out pretty soon. It's the SOA and say, Obefre, about you media. So, but when you call, or the member didn't change, and it be our cassette free, just go straight to the point. Now, a can't assembly train. It be a same be between only who can be or do so. Problem be between only wife. Ba now person wire na branch now person wire no dey ba community a wo hu enko yi bi ni ade. Maybe it's a problem between you and your sister, your brother, your father, your mother, your cousin, be your auntie, your uncle. Chale, if you crowd no so for and now only your colleagues at work. And now if you crowd will be an equator. So that crowd between no boss. Quite and they tell you who between no so for. Hadri. Banina no Yaminam counselor Oscar Sripiso. Yabesha near CC Nina Kama. Yes, near the BBR to baby as I said it. That's what it is. So once again, good afternoon and welcome to your own show, Ofie Kwanso on 106.3 Adom FM. Remember rain free. I only did there very, very paramount. I say to Michelle, I bring now BBR to 2 years the mouth. And it's not that I count for floral disposable handkerchief at the mouth. I know you're better than the usual cloth handkerchief. We are in a pack, come on, Tino. Crocodile, so fit into your pocket, your purse, your handbag easily. We back with the paper we are now what watching it. What I say. Then be not just say you po, you know what I'm saying? No bones on your day. So any of floral toilet rolls who a moton, what the year may come and say. And now your floral multi-purpose paper towel. Sounds on your floral table napkin and your box tissues. Nina available in a shop near you. Open the door pan one Fred Delta Paper Mill Limited. And no a 0243 033 033. I feel fast that my Dominion herbal powder. If I try no wunya bia. Eboa Emma ultimate build a strong immune system. My brain na on why dinty no yare bi about system no e no fight against it. Enkoda nche ne samboa and normalize blood pressure, war, heart or kidney related problems no ekutia no or spine. I Afi so wow ye adwuma ketewa bia na wote bre wo di mu pomu waposo baby ayo ya. Na fe diabetes no stroke na pampam. Ubenya bia to ewo ye Harry Pearl Pharmacy wakade. Afi pimo akwetia so health as well. Ebi ho aguna so edru fon ko nyameti as heba. Okoso menya so obenya bi wona Giza na Fazineda Pharmacies. Mo suhu so monko Tonic Pharmacy. Enye safo ni chemu onkoko. Wo hwehwe Angel Dominion Bar Center. 0543 158 195 afi 020 429 6449. Dominion Bar Powder, your number one immune booster. Obasima seal. Eso na ye come from out. Ene nnuane ahodo na ye di na ya na ahoden ese nya free mu no ya na eswate unya ne sa pepepe. The certain ne Ghana Standards Authority authority ene AGR akabomu akofa Obasima seal e dia ba. We a special seal e dia bo food products ahodo bi no ho market. Na de ni tie otwam nyina ne se food product bia na se Obasima seal ebo ho HSS food products no ewo 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Yeah, no ebo we ye pa. Eye de mo bia obusuam ni titiri nuan mo ma. Timpacho na nya wasemi asa bribia be kodwa so. Obeto food products ewo Obasima seal no ewo ho. Enne bebo. Choose Obasima. Stay healthy, stay strong. I feel my referee says say mobile phone aircraw yeah man for din wa dance ya pa and the new Infinix Hot 10T kama pa ya man 6.82 HD big video gaming display and the channel 5000 mAh battery capacity Ikra Helio G70 gaming CPU. It is all book games was so no yeah and in breaky basa for your gaming pleasure near the and say jinemu any so and need that to me say Claire we movies near the idea also to me say yes now so your Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM plus 64 gig ROM yet on 788 Ghana cedis only and your war Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM plus 124 gig ROM. Yeah, no, so no, a year 888 Ghana cedis only. Expect more from Infinix Hot series, you know. Say about Wakwemo. Next chance to say Obo Remo any accredited Infinix shop be a nationwide now could be a watch there. It could be a crossbody bag, sports bottle, mags, and more. Infinix, the future is now. Abisua baby adunia sem rebebre ye bekwa homa no so na afi ye ne omanfo edinkita ho na echi no yama counselor Oscar Shipping so abam na waboa won sem ahodo a mode ebedan no eho. So phone lines activated now 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. We know any numbers na yedi edijuma no tunso betimi afre na wabo rem na fi yedi enkomo as we enjoy this one brand new from Sisi Chum and she calls this one Victory. Yes. African young girl. Okay. African say first call aba. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
If I try to say?
Nyame Adom, Pacho say.
Adom ninti menso me hoye pa. Pacho yenti wa se mo ade na mo ewie.
Yo, Pacho. Nyeti ani se. Nene me mami. Nene me nyalo nye ana yeti. Me yeni na yeti single room. Me Nyame Adom. Me ti me si eduma. Ama me wie mba si amanga sa me me eduma. Ewo miska. Nkampese metene wonso. Makibia ama miompese obejiat.
Ose onu nuanu mu nana mo maame na mote single room.
Ne me papa.
No papa. Eh. Tinache say Moye 7.
Yeah, they be 5. Yeah, 3.
So unuano 3 and now count na moye 3 no. Oh, okay. Enti na chese unuano timukambu mu 5. Ena wo su adwuma ewie. Ena wanya sika kakra na opesen ka ote wo ko han dan.
Mankasa me ye me adwuma me wonkola me chwe we adwuma koa.
Chese wapo mama wa ye wo adwuma sisi.
Makebia o se da bi no mete me ho amese. Makebia o so nya me se ha.
Na me pato wo fia he.
No 28. September kwa na menya 29.
Na odi to omo anim no den reason om de ma wo so ani to omo gina so so omo mpene ma onko no.
Omo se mete me ho a ma me pe na meye.
Say one run walk about Brabasa. Wono, wow, show a brabum, so it means a one tessa.
Omo me say mentesa, but omo dwen say bia e ka men kwa e bia meye bibisa e bia men kwa ma hotena na me pe na meye.
Na nye bia wadan suban bia di ama omo hu se bia se de wo ye de unya ho tetim na onko akwa obeye niam bi nti na omo yesa na.
Oh, Mendes baby.
Oh, boyfriend.
Oh, anything will be better money.
Sister. Oh, boyfriend but to papa no mama ni mo.
Me pie me nye basa. My name is sir.
And now boy no so me hwehwe.
Dabi.
Nti wo ye den na wo boy.
Phone so keke. Ona mbe a baby.
Oh, sa. Okay. You better cancel any why?
Yeah, me does.
Then fast da menya me. You better ask na your fire next caller. African next caller na ready ya nene to ask na. Ya schedule no so. Hello? Oh, let me say next caller no. And you ready? I say more. Okay, hello? Hello?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Patrick from saying, oh, sorry. I need to be Biana at Yafaso. Me Patrick, Yenti was a modern.
I
say, you too.
But
online, Munya crowd, enter you. What's it Bema on any two on Friday?
I'm sorry.
Bema on in the quas, sorry. And our day.
And I'm what the or
What's so Diana Bema near Waro?
I you 2 years back. Well, and I need to come back forward. Internet accounts back yeah.
Okay, maybe what's so that about 2 years ago? Na anyibia what catch Abrante no?
Dead.
He doesn't know about that dream.
Dead.
And CCA ya ka say the Abrante na before that best open. Iti opese uhu se opese uhu de onye fa ho. Na wo wanka sa na Abrante no open no.
Oh, be mo.
O say?
Okay.
Mente de oka no, me say Abrante no open no.
Me say oyo.
Oyo okay.
Yeah.
That you okay, the okay say say obi betimi ayo okay so na open no. Open no.
Yeah.
Nti ubeso muze bia dai na abom sa na ne ade nti no na say ne uje mu ama na no waje mu ama no.
Oh,
oh, there is me person. What I mean is that you want to be sure. Say, you know, bibia dana kwam so ata say. But sisi ade unya kan che be ma no.
Baby.
Ena ono so be say open no unya ma na approve ani say wa prince wa na prince wa. Wa ka chen say o dwen ho kakra. Sa formula no. Okay, you. Yate. Tia de council any why?
Okay.
Say na ya when you say opekra munumu na de. When be me break akra na me nwe ho ane ade antino. Odwen ho no no aye checks ne hwe na enye yi na chese. Any reply na enya ma wa watu ho ase. Echi ono ahwe na yi dia na chese. Okay. All right. Ti ebe to aso na fire next caller. Ben. Sa na humanity. You be very fine. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Well.
What to say?
Okay.
Patrol into Wasamadinam.
You have to live by the boy. But when you have to 1 year, you say, yeah.
What's on the boy been all?
1 year.
Me bow more say, I wanted to find out some few big crania there, but the opes or chen say, oh, did you Obama or chen 1 year? Obama niche on 1 year. Into a person who say, yeah, you been crouching, me man cry, or more year, you know, there 1 year now. Anyway, there's still not better counsel in the but I wanted to find out some few stuff, but when you're not for next one. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon, my dear.
Good afternoon.
Viviabo called there. What's it? Patrol, Jay Kakrama and I, Yentunke.
Hello.
Okay, me patrol yentiwe.
Patrol, not many guys do home.
No more saying
like actually boyfriend. Nah. Anytime they are making in they are making lady football be. Maybe son or say on any same hometown.
Also on anything.
On anything a crowbar. Yeah, man is kana one year aman.
Okay, me bow just say or your boyfriend.
Patrol.
And anytime be out be kwa srani bia no.
I me ko share particularly
or baba kupena but e be different.
Patrol dey oba ba kona. Maybe son or since on any fikro e ba kona ya o man is kana wa bi jane azo no.
I ask again when they do an beno.
Patrol. You will see no longer bar me, and I'm meaning you call this fee. If you call on me, one that let you know a buy. Girl, now maybe son knows since I would be a journey, a man, or buy. And to me, or buy and I'm make a chance and then they could start their own damage. It just lady me a man as a guy or can a kiss me anything. Now maybe I saw you okay, maybe I can now and I made you done. Maybe if you need dining no paternity job and lady no ebe jani key, ewan is or funny key no. Among me now hostile and I'm the bathroom. And see me back with my friend now one fast. If I did no and I'm a friend. Ne brother and I make a change so and then ko ne brother change say ni say na e see and ne brother ne ka tell me say lady na America no ono so fi kuma se ba Accra ha omo ne da like lady no e beda ne brother change lockdown ne mu nyina wada ne brother change ono so ni say the bibi wo mu say ma and I make you okay ni ka say guy me so girl no ane number on fe e ma me and or 3 days. You know, because so many issues and the place that as a bike. Lady no only obi na chia omo ye cho bike. Because any brother so me pray e be sasa so mo e jani na ma to and na o ma me number. So ma me number na me friend na because so. Me na ndre obi share me o asime sin tell na asime see me boyfriend. Me ni wo ko 1 year. Na ya me ta hu no won chen pa me bi ka na o ti se ne bi ya on ya. Man, you be lady no so it become a guy in Indiana, and I make a sense to me. A certain way, yeah, a phone on the main thing is now. My pet the number means
understand. Lady no catch me said the guy no catch me no. Yes, and I miss yes, person. And I was cook for him. And I miss okay.
O say o cookie ma be man keke.
Yeah, o cookie man and I miss over near like near the maybe now the boy no I can't teach you and it's okay. And I miss me guy. Me friend I make a say so then now on can what is that? Say on can no crazy, and I say on can no crazy. Into you see a neck column. No man, me like the me be behind the by so nice like or deny or question me any or permission. I dear me be who you know and sister. Any brother so as afraid to or no money lady no any that into my and I'm me the
Ne abusuafo no confirm say oba ho a one guy ne da.
If I check brother, I can tell me so bad. Sorry. Guy to I can tell me say lady name any big ya.
Aduane keke no ye de bre no.
Ani keke
Sister, asem we there. Anyway, why? We no me am ntimi nye say aduma we today. Counselor bebam na wa yes aduma we am. African ye nko counselor. Why? Ye nenensem no mo de ba na say boyfriend girlfriend no. Teams are tiki center stage pioneer there. Now you're my counselor room now. You're sure baby. Yeah, they were caught now. Hard drink. So now, as we prepare, say, a counselor be Shiamuno. But Choshan says, say, from the house of Frightor, yeah, the all new Frightor seasoning, Abba. Now you want a tablet and you want a powder, so I come home. Yeah, be meat to everyday meal need, no. Tablet no is so easy to crush but very firm enough not to melt or store now during storage. The more aduane no tasty it may delicious. With me I try shrimp no and now say chicken no and now mixed spices no and now tomato flavor no. Not just any mayonnaise be now soup be and now stew be and now favorite Ghana jollof no what they are one those are fattest to question because Frightor seasoning tasty womb. Frightor, love your food, love your life. We are both say idea ba ko pen recommend ma and no any royal drinks you go like them. You wanna sort to be royal apple, royal cola, royal orange, and royal cocktail. We know perfect flavors now in here. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cities 50 pesos. Chances say we are another quality product if you can Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. The door panel are 0262 351 251. Afi 0272 133 373. Na French president na obi atwere ni Susano. Emo we asisi baby e ka. Akwana so okochia no so ne samtwi ba nanim na saw. We are see we pa. Oh no. Anyway, yensa counselor yenene entoaso na fi omwan na akwanchira hodo de be man e won semo amanfo de abedan ne ho o de aman. Hello, good afternoon. Counselor, ewie ye ho ye wa ha ye ogide wa awurade mi se won so ho ye pa. Ye de nyame ase. We de ewie ye ne kasa wie sisi ye fa ne die nhia se. Se abai wa na sem ne e wa pa. Na minim se otini na. Hello, counselor. Abai wa no chese one ne obema one no wo ho no anytime bi obekọ no bia no ohu one particular girl say girl no so e wo abrante ne nchen obisa abrante na abrante so girl e na danfo ne krom ni e na chese aya obesra no na aya o mane enua aduano ema no na girl ne adwuma ba bi o mo no aduane ntino ya no anu aduane bi abre no sa ne ade a bana entin papa nti obisa girl ne brother guy ne brother ema guy ne brother no confirm ye say well girl no fi o mo krom na omunim de nti aye oba brand no omunim se one ne wo ho de a because oba ne nche be san kra wutim be da ho na ne ade a iti ono e fa ho age girl number o guy no e ma ofre lady no ye say one ne kasa na ka wa find out e no lady no mo so say bisa asa oba yi say anye bia onje ne boyfriend India na eno so you opeso hu no krom no say de waka kire on esa aduane na ya me ye bre no na ba bia me ye aduane ti aduane na me ye bre but also mum de ohwa ade nim na ayese o husu yi ntina ma waka kire be man kra say anka omo entwitwa so but be man so echese bibia say ni mama oguso frefre no ma o pa che osa ne ade anti no sisi o hu de onye fa situation no.
The best of every relationship. Right. So once people only interest no. No. But people that can't get it, they done it.
Also bawa anytime be oba will be obedane nche.
With not for time with that issue. But today is can but don't Bisa ni sana kaya nenda takutani malumuna. Oh, ono bina mo. Now yes, the pressure is why this that. People don't respect. Ono bina mo. That's what we call mutual delight. In relationship, that's what we call mutual delight. I am interested in the relationship, you're also interested. It cannot be that the two of us are in a relationship. That's a minute, I didn't beg another to say, I didn't also maybe you are in one. It is a matter of power. Maybe I'm about to be one particular lady who should come and obey me the animal. The brother say, oh, down, and all those things. It is a menu in the Amugo. Very simple. All this and go on and yes. Why do I desperate? Do not desperate to a bit cheaper. You can count with the piano who value. Okay. It is if you undermine your value, you will be told you can never talk. It's not unfortunate. You trust the guy, now what he's saying, and you call an enemy. If you don't trust him, it means that the two cannot be together because the bedrock of every relationship is trust. Unless you're okay, canoe. The guy needs to not feeling inside the house. You don't know what to. When you want the guy to keep it that way, to cover. But the OB, but then it's in the better family at the end. The rest, but I'm saying the relationship, bedrock your trust. And it's look like on Giganin. It's on Giganin here. Only the moon. But it's a no, don't mean me a relationship. Move on. But what the home as our family do you trust him? Can that trust that can it be restored? Those are the questions you ask. If that trust cannot be restored, we can't be in that relationship.
Okay.
But also, I want to keep that there. Oh, you were home. You're talking about that idea. It's again, it's on. But the son said, yeah, now in Namunu, who you need Liana. And I don't know. Yes. And of course, that's what I'm talking about. If I know you need it. Who you need, I mean that you all can look at it. Who you need Lia, that's what you doubt it. And that's what the lady asked me. Hey, who you need? Who you need Lia? If you're now, are you? Move on. But sometimes you see the funny people to move. Because be for all you know, no. Come on, you know, If I get any question, that's what I'm asking here. Do you trust the guy? Who do you need it? That question is not a bit answer. Who do you need to tell you more?
Okay. And the next one, with them is another tell. Now, can be some questions, but unfortunately, line drop here. Or say, oh, DT Branty is a year older than her, so she wanted to find out if it is cool, say, or any better relationship. No, so we beat me at Daniel Ariana.
I want you to say, what you are.
Sakura na making ya.
No.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Madam, and you know, I don't mean, but only the 1 year because of this year. And also,
okay. The next one, a rabbi said about 2 years ago, she had a dream, and in the dream, there was a certain gentleman on the cross, right? A branch no na or wareno. Na branch any wire lady or free, be 2 years ago. And I'm saying, oh, we are, the same a branch and I who know Daimuana or wareno. A branch and a baby propose at Cheno say, Nanijin who pese on it na. On pencil man yet mumudi, what chance on money break a crack, or person finding out say we know a dream come true and answer say on to us one say who's a day.
2 years ago, no, not doing it. I'm not going to buy. What's the mistake? It's also a full relationship. More so a Christian, a Christian for the month. May counsel now be the both Christians, non Christian. You are Christian, you may do a debate, only Christian, and maybe I'm a family. Because we even do counseling for Christians. Oh, you're Christian, I know you'll be out. You don't enter into relationship from more by. You don't enter into relationship from more by. You don't have the open call relationship. What did you be? I know we have cost 2 years. No more dies. No one can understand. Those number of years ago, the bomb by answer. They're not wasting my time. If you could speak to me before you jump to anything, go home by. Yeri, but this really, the very program 3 years ago. Let's say the story and I was convinced about in my spirit that we can do it. Before me class, okay, if I didn't have the conviction to be here, I can't just get it because I was no. And today, I know because I was convinced about it. It's a Christian near. This is going to be a come by. 2 years ago, you had a dream. Home by Yanka. Yeah, no, Banu. 2 years ago, no, we're convinced that the way it's ready. They say, Waba. Home by Yanka. Your dreamer, you subject the dream to prayer. And let the Holy Spirit confirm the dream, no. The Nipanonini. The Madam, where is it? I was a Christian for me. The brave, and the way list. How they are looking for the people to their channel. Oh, don't you want a bomb or a bomb? And I'm doing call. I thought I'm coming here. There won't be any bar. Now, I'm your back and I'm more by my father. If you're in competition, but you won't be there now. Let me see. This is me who may be the bomb by my father. Even if they won't be there, don't cancel. But that's what we are doing. It's a requirement to see one with you, madam. You see, and also, I'm taking it out. I'm finding it. No matter what the money. But some of us, maybe the way we're trained, maybe we're here that. Adom, we'll never do that. But Christian was they say, come on, by no fasting, no prayer. All he needs is that, prophet, say, where she say, madam, where your life will. When you be in a conference, for home by before you study, Waba, Panama, Takobon Fire.
Yo, final one, Rachel said, on it, Ninian Mumienu, or no can one miensa, and an mamma and a papa, not just 5 of them. Omuna ete, single room, emu. Out to me say, and you're comfortable, so but anyone watching or dear swear Juma Massisi Wapono. I'm on no be on one eduma or yen Juma or no swafa and crofa to see on also rom with Juma. Na or pese Sisino anka or tenho na oko cotna and the bonwako rent here, please. Now on one cotna or the Tony parents anymore. Almost say enya de on be pene so amana atu afio no no kwa akotena na wa hye ne ono kwa brabo ase eti mi bisa se anye bi omo kansa na obisa omo reason ti omo peso be kona na o se ne papa ne se on peso ono kwa betena na ebia wakwa akoba brabo basa na wakwa akose ti mi bisa se ade o ne ma bi o se de bi ono obia mehwehwe no obia mi bisa se o boyfriend o se o she seen somebody but no kra na brante no ma ho mesand ono so nko no phone so nkomo ana omudia ne ade antino ono nya ade ase obekoye abarabo basa still no na wo phone person be pene so na obetu akotena mi bisa na age so say she is 28
why are you if you make up a life is not where you are coming from but it's where you are going. It doesn't matter how we begin in it. The most important thing that we need in life is not where you are coming from, it's where you are going. Jesus was born in a manger. That was Nazareth. Okay. Why are you? No, my papa, and then 5 once in the room. You see, I know the concern of the parents. I didn't know all about a so to the time I do because the members I don't want to near there. Sometimes they need it. For some of the players, they think, okay, but I was telling one, what do you think? I'm a young lady with it. What's that? You man, and never be money. Obey their hands, because I want near no you come on. Unconventional parents, no, to the whole car, but the union in the record. And the one, a severe protection, man. A severe protection. Because on what the Bema spoke of a travel, which is the move on. Those are the things I want you to Namibia and Fata. And I know the president about that. And you shouldn't worry. Unconventional parents say, okay, me qua. When you are no and no for me protection man on casa. That one. So the Bema be ban in Kenya on the hours 1 a.m. because of the annual. So the Bema be ban on sending a more. So the Bema be ban one. Temptation be cry bar on here because of the me and war. And that one, she no make one a bone by. And don't you know only about what you need. I said that man in a more than education. That man be fear what you are wanting. No matter oh yeah, you put in the mechanism one at that wow. So at the end of the day, you don't go and look in the other house. You don't catch it or say, who no be called out there. Blow your bar. My bad man in your more than education. Or bar. You need to wanting. So a demo now, my position away from you. The way you say. Not to assume Mrs. Samuel at the end of the problems live on. And I know that the president are concerned about that. The mama in the bush. Why are you for? Is there a Juma? Why employing for? Only do some form of private. Fantastic. But our qua, unconvincing parents say, you living on the cop. And no better one on Casa. Now, form protection a man. So that them be benefit here on the Casa. Maybe. And then because in your more, only 14 years. Oh, no more. No, you be more. Or make now catching the prison. A boy, that one and Tata. But the deal doing the things in there, or to me, movie out there. But they said the friends are consent for some of the same members as you know, yeah, they have. And you'll be able to be honest, I don't know. Or baby, or not, also be also no. Let us not in one and yet be money. Obviously, in the parents that now do they not obtain one. And easy, especially at this stage, you know. Let me start to move back. Almost now, we'll cover, we back, yeah, dear, and then one. The reason I will go, the new way for her, money goes. A boy, a serious protection, man, on Casa. So that temptation you are, uncle falling to it. Even since there is okay, you are, minimum young to undergo. Now, I'm going to come in. So that together, we'll be there. And this will be one on Casa. So now them be my own combat in damage because a demotion we shall win share them together. We want not people to say no and go studying those. Now we kiss we now we actually winning kakra. Now there is another building. Oh, so mukaka. Oh, yen kiss kakra. They will be down. We want no more better than now we put in the canopy. And then only them go on them. I know what down for them. No see the sun will be here. Oh, pa, you be caught. It's a wow. The was only hope of them now. No see what down for best in there. Oh, pa, you be caught. When you go with that, there's something don't to me yet. You put in the mechanism. Yeah, you might hear, you know. Yet the mechanism just the moon. I can't have any problem. In the Nico, you put in the mechanism of wow. Because you can flip them 9 o'clock at the mountain. You are very nice. You better. So you have to put in the mechanism of that wow. The mother memo busy. You have done very well. You have with your parents, once in your room. You have done extremely well. You are not discouraged. You are moving on. Now, what I say we need to do is convince them for the sake of another private. Your siblings will serve as protection for you. So that when you get into the bow, put them in test. You show money in the sana. Who came here? I don't know if you call out of a strap. Military bunting. You'll be a woman. Yes, I wow. But it's a damage, more. And any problems in the family. Yeah, I'm going.
Yo, Councillor Bedawasi, Imuda Opa, na. Yama Konya na futu out the Bema and Afi and Francois.
I want to go on that tangent. Then go for the Brio. Our relationship more. Our position with you. Especially we are religious. Oh, sorry. I know you're Muslim. Also, position with you. Oh, your banner no be here. I don't know here. My bad money, most of the discussion. Men sorry for going to be back. About fear. Now, what is that? Then it's not on thing. What don't forgive me by two. Not say the sermon. Where they are. Oh, wow. Go with another person. Wow. You see, that's no. You must put in the mechanism. They protect you. Other than that, you need all your register obey you. Obey yes. You see your bar, you will be quarter. More number more of the business. Who can fear? Who can impasse? What any person put you can no. Who can no share on the mannerism? If you got me at the best, that you don't make it. A bit wow. Okay, so at the end of the day, nobody on best of the year. Other than that, so me ha, na so me ha. In Kisaka, Miss Unifukaka. Was the way you be do one fire. If you can, you can't control something. So the mechanism is that for the best ramming, buy and snap or safety. Or see, that no, when you can go no. Oh my God, now for whom let you be go out of a musty soon. Oh, my person about the moon. The person man the moon. No, the moment you caught back, transparent. What transparent in the baby? Umbrella, you know, but I don't want any power. Okay, I can't. So that you don't want the patient. Who will be caught out of bar? My blame money more than this. Who could if you know trust in one? To be caught. Who caught night of to do me? What you all? What was the son of me? We in a cook near there. Hey, the danger. What you always got to box it. That is you. Not the only I will in my head. Oh, none of people see me. No, no, she idea. Wow. Amen. If I the mountains, I
that's it, Councillor. Yamisha. And that's a I was a counselor Oscar Shupi and I attending Canon. Counselor, you do. Where you? I heard you in there. I saw Sidano. The idea of food with my, first was that my proud sponsors were to us. I know a DBS Industries Limited. Na Nina and say, and they say, I losing trusses no. I don't know Fabo dinosaur and could use you Indiano. Ebewu best say bepro near there. We say a 100-year warranty. Also, she say everlasting pa. Ne bonson ye the lighting weight. It is for pressure bijina a dino eso. Area can for ediama obibia mansan count there. Reacha on the Spenters Road. Ofie so penchibia no du papa restaurant. Na offer cry bit me abeshena yama free estimate 0240 844 444. And I'm one more Kumasa Befra 050-600-4141. Talk ready for Befra 050-600-4242. And they door master and Pullman paint depot so Eddie out there banner say or mount upon quality doors. Now the CC Odana we see no be a camera. Will enjoy a 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. The doors range from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bathroom doors, decorative glass doors, wooden metal doors to wooden panel doors, bulletproof doors to armored doors. Ne de ken kan oni nyina ye de ema wo. E bo no so ye da from kama pa. Oba painter from one so ya partner with News Paint. Ye ne no. Yeah, ma or man for Akunyano. And she said, dear Bunny, your friend paint now, pay later. And one said schools, hospitals, churches, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers. Now, yes, some man on magic a paint be a muhia. Now, Mofanko paint modern. Now, yen spread this kind of mutu and kakra, Brian for interest be a and kahon and famamo. You are acrylic, you are emotion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, downproofing, affair. Wallpaper, wall primers, potty, any paint accessories, beer. Ni now, I swear. Oben Doormaster and Pubima Paint Depot Chirakwine on the Accra Kumasi Highway. Ye will Pubima to booth was a Ujina Pubima to booth na a hona when you are yen shop no imu. Frena Yenikita FR 0542 745 222 and a fee 050 021 2447. And when China Stadio and from MTN or say free after one or she and Gusujina so. And one say Obefre Unipaqua or Pese one in the Casa. Casa Sam Metin Timbia or Pebia. You know what I'm saying? Now what you have for just the first minute of your call and the rest is absolutely free. In addition, I enjoy 50 MB of data at their browser for free account. When you one, dial star 550 hash. Now I subscribe to MTN free after one, then you stay connected. It's a say we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN everywhere you go. Say the Americano. Counselor here you went in there. Nah, say comment amount for the banya the idea. Imuye pa. Me am a presiding the order. John Akom Asante. As a man of God, counselor is on point. Greet him for me. You, counselor, Utu pa. Na Asante, I see you. Was it tricks Nina guys news no? And counselor, I suppose me that. They say girls remove boys no tricks no. Mama money now. And yan quatrano abe oh and how crash me changing mono. We in the shed nothing. We're going to cook some. As I can say, Yamita, if you are very fine. Music in the background is coming from Sissy Chum. It's a brand new one from her camp. Victory. happy birthday going out to my special gift and lovely wife, as well as my mother, Mrs. Caroline Kwadadi Renchi. We say age with more and more grace from your grateful husband and children, Nyameche, Nyameye, and Inkunim. Happy birthday to you, Mrs. Caroline Kwadadi Renchi. Not just a wee Ofie Sky and chain. Beautiful one. Odo Mupa. And a happy birthday also going out to Prince Eugene, who are here Hackney or London. Nyame Unsha non Trunkwanem. Happy birthday going out to Cecilia Bentel, well known as Chantel of Elmina. Wishing you long life and prosperity from Starboys. And also a happy birthday going out to Madame Rebecca Dazi of Tetegu, Wasaman area. Hona. The message here says, I pray for more grace upon your life, more of everything you ask for. Nina Embrem Emma Yusudim from your daughter Thelma. Happy birthday also going out to Ellen Kufuor Attila Denta Frafraha, formerly of Unicredit, from your husband, your children, and your siblings, as well as the entire family. They all wishing you a happy birthday. Hello, Jerry. Please wish my dear niece, Miss Belinda Ajua Gbandi of Accra a happy birthday. May God Almighty bless her, and may she be a blessing to the family in Jesus' name. May her social distance birthday bring peace, joy and happiness into her life in Jesus' name. And this one came in from Deacon Frederick Nana Asante of Mount Zion Assembly of the Church of Pentecost, all the way in Northampton, England. A quick one, Nafi Yedidi Akanina Atraso Amal.
Benjamin! Kweku! Now,
Auntie Maggie, I don't know what you move from me and for to say.
Pepesa wabuame, na me de momo no, amanisika.
Oh, Auntie Maggie Jaisa, say Momo, I yet easy cry. Obet me a friend Momo, and no answer over dialing 170. That's all. Mommy, show.
Mema wakwaba ba MTN mom.
Hey, na momo yi ayem rese. E na de bia me keke mo friend kwada yi. Chia, afa.
Ma, o friend me.
De da afei na waba. Eye jai. Niama ye.
Oh ma.
Akwai bebre wo ho a odi be twa wo momo. Eno an se wo be frɛ 170. Na watie wo momo manu no e wa kan. Aigbe nkran. Brofo dagbami ani awusa. Open so simple. Dial star 170 hash. Na the steps no so. Momo said ya openu bia. Frɛ 170 and dial star 170 hash. We are good together. We there for you everywhere you go.
I see you. Quality security door and a new space. Why affordably? What man paint depot and the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see four contracted. When you road marking paint. What man paint depot? Paint to quality biara usual. Say why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Jan Kane. You see if you are assassin with the near. What man paint depot? I will stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So Accra Kumasi Highway. Pobi man tobo to
se washada pa eyi achia de ra wedding afi morning na obi atwen yakobi na ukodru hɔ a emanko enson ene wo satare kro no a
Suruko, eno bia ne won say eno ntina say your voice data ana SMS mpo a MTN just for you ayen hyeya ebebo wo ankasa brabo kama press *141# ana hwehwenya wo pe wo my MTN app ne so na je wo MTN just for you hyeya ebebo wo papa e wo Ghana kasifuje ba ko preso a obia nto no free say we are good together everywhere you go.
Adom FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station. Top.
This is Adom FM 106.3.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Every time I'm in tea,
man Kwesi P with Krokrome. Before this one was Iron Boy by Abrantie Amachi Dede. Yep. Bringing time to 27 after 4 on 106.3 Adom FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Don't forget about that, you know what I'm saying? If I chose to that channel, so yes, certainly there's a good time, very, very good time to be on MTN. What do I say? I mean, for a very long time, and you're missing that person so much. You know what I'm saying? It be a bit me, your mommy, and na say, oh, papa, na, oh, sweetheart. Oh, they may patch, you know. Don't worry. It's I say, a good day for you to make that call. What I say, you do all the catching up because we are 25 years old. And as part of saying thank you, you know, for your loyalty, you know, for your first call of the day, the ANC, and no, it's on us. It's also first call now, Beno, you know, say area. I mean, if it's your first call in the day, it's on us. So just call another MTN number, and then you can talk for 25 long minutes. For free from now to the 30th of June 2021. So thanks for being with us and for us for the past 25 years. So go on and make that call because it's a good time and a good day to be on MTN. Let's go. MTN, everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. And welcome to the home of Euro 2020. Wouldn't say any all right, no. So from the 11th of June to the 11th of July 2021, Bomodian Sobe journey on Joy Prime on Adom TV for live matches and updates. Shows out on TV, and then when you live radio commentary live on Insure FM, Love FM, Asempa FM, Adom FM, Joy FM, as well as Hits FM. 24 participating teams. Now face where 8 country venues, and I just say a bit take place. What I say now, no trophy back and I see so. It's about the answer or the home. Now I should be she also said the multimedia group and the home of Euro 2020. Now Ocean live with the not just a the Philly experience no on our Adom TV and then Joy Prime in HD. Our brand no HD plus decoder no or the boss kama. Don't forget say HD plus and then the HD experience partner for the multimedia group our brand use the Airbraeway. The coverage of the Euro 2020 on the multimedia group is brought to you by Betway, Azar Group, and DBS Industries. Forward ever, backward never. What you say? You got to be brave, be confident, be determined, and be joyful. Give yourself a treat with Puma drinks. Yes, Puma drinks now make one semi specially made for you. Enjoy Puma drinks in cola and then orange as well. Puma drinks, Charlie, I best sort you out to be I know so treat yourself today with Puma drinks, and you will keep asking for more. It is just 1 CD 50 pesos per Puma drinks. A whole new vibe. They are available. Our major distribution and wholesale points in for bulk purchase phrase 0262 351 251. Nation is away another. no be see no money ade ade no ah whether na dey David ah me whether ni bi aba na oh minim ah minim me ba na wia na bo pa oh ayesa tricks in na oh some me come your messages no bebre tricks in na councilor CP wa yin na na say protector wanim protector wanim
dey protector dey na take ye why protector dey protector penny I didn't chance use protector any protector oh
na da hwe form
sure man who say
I feel ready obi a phone be boy oh na
good question na obi say
oh Abrante, me the national I had to hear high round in there too. And so still me the no. I was your mommy for the home entry Hakakana. Your fire gated the room na later on ya heard the bay and see. Yes, and Bema and Pennyfuakasa na Yakoy anymore.
Well. Please, I get a sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging. And perfect, unexpected. Alligator sports, papa. So listen to alligator stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing alligators sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha, I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me in this Sisi Chum. That they be amity irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because miti manage na me stress
Yeah. Afa.
Ope program one dedication fast sports one. Irrigated sports or Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Now how's Muti saying?
More the Stella,
Besides, has more to say, yes, Muya, Trash will be any baby, a leg in baby dinner. Quaba. So,
oh, sir, you could joint leaders.
Yes, not just a no.
Oh, yes. Now, of any unim. Sir John said, Minya Kanda, Deba. And the penny pair be respecting Okruma. I tried the video to Facebook. Menyan was a capture.
I was saying,
Ama a year and penny for Efa has folk. Ball of new Olympics boy, you know. Also, unim Professor Joshua Alabi.
Yes.
Undian on Infano Wadarma.
Oh, sir, opening a school year never hay. School year never hay. On one or share a transforming school no man. And come now opeso wrong Frank Ano de ma green for ye and now where every
just ended the elections one of the campaign manager.
Yes.
And this campaign manager yeah but all born home as compared to 20
yes where born
home say ebesine when yin tum say when lusu and now
wrong. If education where ye are near PTA, Ben issues now. I Clement Park now. On an Rwanda, yes, Entino. It you not just a window on board, so say, reforms here, not so baby. Say, I dare not happens in a window crown, and yes, one more we are, and yes, so many winning and so more.
Still almost to once.
Miss Reza, I can be a
say, will no say, DJ boy, you pure and a fancy abro. Oh, yeah. Also, tell my way in a babbage, and Sana, or or check or Kobe.
So,
you shall be adding all Fatwana, Koku, no coffee, dear. Papa Nankasa, Penny, Unse, Kaye, you fina, be up so indicated all day a dear sign, picture, nationalized indicating. Yeah, with your one cassa to the boss, yatro. And what sign I didn't indicate a trigger of what I Meda, I of course, park and so. the camera a adjective bi na person use.
Hey.
Yes.
I know she.
Yes. Na Oshemwa or say
this is what they did to our goalkeeper. Oh, and they banged in an empty net. Some years our keeper the referee should have whistled for a foul play on our goalkeeper. Too bad. I know the red na sign. Why be say the keeper na keeper no so.
No asem na make keeper no opie be point ball no a. Akwa no di America bo free a chair be say wa share go bi so ma da the keeper no ansa. But has a player na a keeper no kon so wo pia na chef.
O ti akwa do ogbuni ko.
And akwa stadium say keeper na kasa on one player na crash no.
Picture now. Any.
Now that's why
you will be able to make a
video.
Etiefo adofo amutie here mo se hwe him.
Olympics players
Facebook no so. O de mo amomra Facebook ho.
And I would open.
Na mo me hwe picture no.
Obi so de na de aba.
Mo hwe picture ni wi a. Na mo me hu say eye ono a ni player na em sa.
Na de obi abeka say has player.
Na de na wo yi.
Akwa na ye na mfe. Ye player, or not the player. Now a still picture. So can move you play.
No one know this still picture by be prove say boy you going.
And no me pacho kwame. And no dey na say born you go no. Say na motion picture o.
Na motion picture.
Na dey na dey.
O be still picture ba. Kwame koto dey na bodwe.
Kwame oje hayi.
Kwame koto no.
Eme play nipa.
Kwame koto no.
Oh, misala bi we dey.
Kwame koto no. Obe no Mr. Radio e panipa o.
Misala bi we dey.
Or your potential president.
Are you trying to force Janapa?
Hey,
why can't Janapa?
Obeniti eno asem na na meka no. Iti me copy adia so ene na no pay. Metie minim say your sports for you a metie voice bi Opis FM. Almost sports for na muso mo and omo kasama for Olympics kasama for Saint say the way the guy is furious.
Furious said
say ya keeper say obia nya na dwen so o ka ho asem e kan ball agopo
say are you fighting for the foul or you are fighting say ball in your goal what you get to say a goal but not a foul?
Oh no there was ball in there or bottom but there was a foul before the
goal. Yeah. I want him to accept that
this action took place first.
Yeah na mo pe bi
Kwame
say e adwuma Kwame VR na mo pe bi say anka e be check say mo ball na egu ananse nye goal no say e adwuma e na VR no every incident in the run up to the goal no omo check it entinka we say
and I make us say it was this action first
and I make
and the aftermath of this and a for goal by
the referee did not refuse the goal because of the infringement. Let's get it straight. The referee did not refuse the goal because of the infringement.
Linesman na move because of this incident linesman will move goal ni buy no
linesman na go
and I make no
flag say goal.
And I make say WB make can way
Jeko why is the sound no Facebook no sound no why is the sound yeah hiding here from mom there fine ba
omo na FM phonity I am because be a
Babaku and Rabika a protest no asem kire o unqualified player na asem catch it's gathering momentum
nya no kre enko ba bia
it's gathering momentum you see am tell kwam evidence akwa ni din sa wotim fufuro elist so player na
obani enko ba bia
and Olive also almost ebe
omo the response enye Olive na change boy ni din o ti ase ebia si organ happen e ba sa no player na e fan no because omo no team omo je ni free no documents e dey mo na omo do register no and omo nye illegal business bia so untimi fa ho asotwe mu no me ba a player no oh yes
but there has been a change of name
for that one the a player no
kwaku dia wo ha be hu
a player no and omo asemi omo ne
not the team
oh no
let leave it for them
not the team
ye nyama mpanifo omo a de be piem biara beto
unim sa kwamboni bia na mo pese mo fa so league ni ege adwuma titibire mu no na ne yesa echichi nkrofo nsa dem ne de mamo ene ni bio unim say fix the country for ya mo yesa omo enko demonstration no mako supreme court akwashi decision no ene democratic dispensation o media utimi chinchim obi nsa nhye dem
obi achi obi nsa
mo fose mo fa kwantia bia afigili
asem ne wo
empathy kwam de mo akwan say ne fa no
yan twema mpanifo nwie
etu fa oba acha obaba na obefa no
kwaku unim say empanifo
ade asem na ake
kwaku ebe obuye
ye mo ye opesa mo baba
ebe ye obuye
obani ye nna so wo mama
say eti beba ya has for ye ne bi no asem fa oba acha enti chinchina me fa oba etu baba na obefa no
Akwesi Subai.
Uji liga change chinchi ya.
Why on him bet too much? Asa make nyane say.
Asa make one say eh.
Akwesi Subai.
Nya brese.
And I make say to ba change to be for ba na.
Nya me ko to go so nya brese.
To go so be fan ba. Yes I'm not okay.
Ana go fan ba.
Enti fa kwa papa so wo for ba cha si abonten. Ba. Ene nkeka na fa no bref. Say bia ba ne na mfio nti chinchina say.
Kwaku ene news you say ba ko aron ne de hom say ana wenka. Ono ane baba wa fama ama abayiwa na nyum ama wakọ clear. Ono ogusu di mu a.
Ka eyi cancel de enwi ansa na. Madwen fi.
Oh cancel de na wawie.
Say o say eyi.
E ma na me ha ho e ma na nya de atu omhufo wawie nti wo.
Enya no kre.
Say.
Obeni sa strategy o mi su ya che ye twam ho. Omo de ba me ye do omo tena ho da bia. Omo de ba oba obi baba obetena ho. I just be any policy singing room and no crown only curtains or the and I make me roll over down the crack. I come that I cancel the oil and analog. I'm telling you, analog no use no.
Papa, you man now.
Oh, yes, I'm get to you for say, some cancel any day. And then or say, oh, your banner, baby, because of Rabesra, say overboard home and took Ubika, whom you can 12 and I can't. Kaza
oso nkwanko
David
konso enko trampa no so
the only neighbor ko bia no me kwan no cry fight e wo na wo do bia kan ko oberon na ekiri wakọ no so kira kwan na waye no
suba boni be so no
obani ya fun boni ani masa ene wo nkwa amenkọ seven producer wo jeje tanso na ebon so yo wa adwen sa wo jeje wani mu akonko ade a oh
akwa bi nyoti bi besi
ayi mini pa bia na me na no say ba ko e free UK ba ko vida mo be ma mo ni we yasinti e say me se me mu bia DB
ko vida ma se mo ni di wa
o so ku na de na o ya o kan se na e be ya na ma se bia o no akofa na so na ka ho ya sam ne ya so ya kan comfort de na ho sire wa de ne enka obani mini pa bi o ho no I just want kan jo se besra no na nya besra no nko a de a o I just want ma unya besra no nko a de
na say na rape asem na eba mu yo
enye rape oh na first no kra na wan wo kwan bebre o em say ne na minim se kofo
say na akonwa ni me dem ntuba pa empa na so na obetena to tena so na matena won chen pe the list ai bi e to e chipa
if you are say kiki don't say from na no kosura
se woni de wadi bi a
kosura the
BP ni right pa
ni right no
na that is anything man want to be home sir
say any man can you
they say kwade condition ya na bantu say de hu sade yo class na
o du ti kwa ne ho abeti
o si wo mu umi me kakaba say ne ho me shi
o du ti kwa ne ho so won ta lita e bi ameka say abra concentration of fam
say ne blood ne boil
oh me say the madam was there o sira wo so said dance bi nwe ya minya
o say du benye say chobi
the vibrates are no account to
there is a way out na
no kure wo mun say league ya ye boye nya no kure ati ase mo me fa no kure nya adwuma na minim se na me ka se bia ebibrem ha se na bone ne anibie nhyɛ da ni hantie ene me bia se France abrofo no so opani suban a won da na die no France man pani
akwana nya de kura o
na ni so pa mi hu sa so tro ni bia che
ba nim se enye se oye ya no ye ni chi o se on sa we say enkrofo man fans no ono so man fans bi ti no papa ne twene nsa achia no e no no so no se mu ochia no twene be ne se de be ya we ne betimi akọ
wa hwe
man na sumpa
Ghana ha anka wawu
oh yes
no
ka man kokọ na ona na echi no
tie e ho no kra no onfa ne hu ndi sa kwame what should president assume
pass yen ne
one can say yen he will be punished kwame jai kwame jai na immediately one who say security wo mo ye wo da tie for measure ade no video ha hwe to ade ne sabenkum no ɛso ni mu twe ne ba na no nifa no wam
say na ho betre nti twa no hwe amana position ye no wabɔ so kwa ku say nkoto ne say kakra na anka man no a ade ebe na ebe ye no so position
attempt meda
yes nti ka da o ba we there so tron there wabɔ ma no ho abai no mum
anka obekɔ to sutro na
wa so tron na ma no ho abai no
is it na also her ninja mu okay you say I test situation abrofo no what is
abrofo na start here
oh yeah nti is na okɔ ba bia ya already
you say so na fix how am I for yes ko demonstration say mo nko woni nyina ahye woni tiri mu say okɔ ba bia hwe hu ye futu am ma opani ano
no me hu ya na msi yi unse yes say be kote say oyonko aboje say shi
but akwa no okay bia later
also a young boy so
bia later information we bia ware ne class teacher there ne my we ya a young boy aboni sumpa no smart no kwa bo an kakra kan so kra betima wonani
wahwe ne sumpa
so go to boba top ba kwaro nim sutro bo
dabi we no nye unse wanye sharp ahe we kura wanye smart anka watini ambo
ne sa no bo ni we na ayi bodyguards ne nsa du
no mo adu
enya abomu
so the left nsa ne ho kira no
na enya abomu
na right no esun ye ade akoya ye ma onipa bia mfa nche ne trim se obeye bi da esa say
we efe wo be wo abenya baby kura on man ke ye be shoot ne straight so oh yes baby on man
Arab man
yeah baby on man ka we oye na at once na kura no mo gina obi ba
because one time
bomb show yem kura ye
na say na oye no yenya bo tuo se ekimu a enko ba bia what on sabo oh yes
o make us
defense anti
oh na me say we ne obefa no
papa on be chin physical on be so mu hu ni motive e die nti na obo suturo no
yeah
ofiri hefa o me say de ni nyina kwa we
afan kwa hwe ni so aso Arab ni bi o
me hwe na bo gese ne dia but ma hu ni da but me mpese me koka ho ase
sa na report no o mo de ba no
wan sha se France ni ankasa e be de se France ni ba e be tin sapa France man pani
all right nti I ni say no je ko mpacho fa train to na kwa me akwa teacher ni bi obetimi am ye hu se amoa kwa na se nti amoa
o de nti amoa street nti amoa se nti amoa nso eye diozo na din
azo no nti amoa cause it's a work from what
the friends on nti amoa ni di angasa
oh man kan ne manya mfa
oh ni di angasa pa
na no ibi say there obo me 100 bi a say na me share bi sa
ene me de o man bi a chenti ni di angasa de Eric
nti amoa aka Zona ni ti sun papa why papa
ba ni ti se tete yi a tete a menko yi tete yi wo hwa ba nti ti a na nkenye tra wo se ho nyina kwabo sa bat je ko ditri na
o se
na se pe abre na
airpro no na baby mo atomu no
e wo se pa no se yo pa yanku ene wo brown one ye normal pa ene wo pa yanku
we aye straight nti amwa yes
amwa ko na nti amwa we dey be man nti
amwa straight pa
zo na nti be man nti amwa
ana na tumo wo no mu ya no
e fa cho mo na Facebook ni am ase ya pa wa yi video
oh yes
madam Jesus ana nti ho amwa
ba ya na normally ya na eko ni se no ne ko achi side na ya na gitimi
we amwa double we tu say we dey yare bi na
we dey obeka say eyi no konkuru no apai oh and ebu ashim
score na nkasa no
na making
I think it's 5-1
what a head
the head of the producer kwaku unsa be tell say Blasters ekobo friendly match e Morocco say even ni bibia ba be to dwa say be bobo no wo FAR say Far Sportive Stadium Rabat
yeah
Morocco for capital no
Rabat
and a friend of Rabat
anti ho no be bono
okay ti ho and 7 p.m. pepepe na agro no ehye so first na anka Blaster ko bobo say no kra no akola ketwa kra usia no betima che say ball no ye ne that say ko bono ha players ko bobo betima list amount but then no pani kra anka sa ono akwadare in central drum no na list no kra ho aye no din tuni no che da hu players be say enum bia obato aso but ni nyina mu no ye Blaster na ani enti yamfa ya ho odin ene empire bo entachiri me kra Morocco Morocco ko kle mu close on ya de kakra won
oh yeah omo last 10 matches omo lose bi
yeah nya bad nti Morocco wona ye ko
omo ya de ba
very good side
na opinion nim say under 23 team so called Japan Omni Japan for almost say next one year I'm about second match on Massage 2 matches in the 40 tangos.
Omunya campaign kura no.
Madam was in the good you Papa Zifibien.
Ah, Papa said you go. Papa said no yes.
The honorable.
How much too much money ten goes there.
There we on the Jira Park so. I said Ben Akin.
Kwaku basketball.
On the Jira Park so.
Next match 6-0, second match for only
Adem. Just 2 matches 10 goals.
Hey, I know shit.
I just want me nyina as players are any fish you no nyansa ko na enkogira enemu a.
Mama me wish Amori a happy birthday in advance. Nyame Adom Ochane any birthday.
Ah, okay.
Iti happy birthday in advance. Why?
Because
inti
on behalf of the
Italy and Obutu.
Italy.
Italian burger. Inti happy birthday in advance to you. Nyame sha no tonkwanem.
Na atopa hema. Kwaku na oka ai
ni na ga ho.
Na atopa hema pa o.
I'm already wow.
Kwaku na oka ai face the country for na sem.
Yeah.
Face the country for kwaku dem san ko bre omu kuro bi mu.
Devi.
Say dwan ye koye yam pani fashion max as.
Any has ne Olympics match no.
O de has de na ka ho.
Oh, ni mienu so ka ho. Ni mienu omo ka ni mienu abon no omo de aka.
In fact, here me for ndra me no omo di nkomo big agenda so. Omo ka say dwan de nwi no omo de ha de no ba.
Fix the country for.
Debi any Ghana Medical Association.
Omo so person sikuru.
Omo say organizers na say kwambia so ne etwe omo so.
Okay.
Bo yare no fufuru bi ahase bubu ne pamba. Ano odin. Panie kura ya ye ka ho asemi. Inipa be 30 million ukruma e target be 20 million omo ma won omo nnu 1 million
eduru kra kan ma
and eduru kra say second job you omo yes best buy eduru you no kra mention that ho asem papa
ba ko jabo de
me jabo da
okay
jabo
tu wo double jabo okay
na insunsu aso na won kan na me hwe ni mu but me hu bia
yeah but so bia difference because me say first one no etimi me ama me say fever ma blisters be guman hu na ba me sister so war first one anya ne hwe ni ba bia mu ne dwe me second one mu me ko wo ye no me so nothing but ono second one no ko wo ye no e bo ne yare to o ko hospital na onti e wo said obi a ye no efa
okay
some
Sika kuna so expect here a very tough match from Morocco. Only can answer me here some question
on can
your question I can say because say tough. But could be get just here.
Coach for by force one Mokasana.
I said Mike about to because on Kasa. As a coach be to because look, I gave you about tennis say there's some press conference I want to find
Apostle gets this man to say Metros idea no first food is not a food, second food too is not a food. Third no food. Munya botre no mo
ya so mazani ya flow boost ha
timunya botre mo na ready visual
nya botre ya form kwaku
enti wo nko try the prince aso hwe
esa show another 5 can 15 goals kwaku ti guess na the boys na ni update chese person musikurum but kwaku me for say covid ne nko na eye excuse ya bidim say bia other excuse wo bi ma say omom yom demonstration
yeah
esan say events on boss nyina no menya sure say nipa course ado yase ados sin nipa be co fix the country no and the right to demonstrate no so no as part of the democratic dispensation
sharp
what they make an answer enti okay covid and covid ma yenye demonstration bi ma you get my point.
I got you.
Let's take it say covid no covid it has come to stay with us just like HIV enti people cannot go out and demonstrate again and me you can say e beti omo nko na omo mo nta omo ye hwe say e bia omo come say nose mask ana bibi na omo nyi sa de ni free ho since ye woni ma bebre ye na da bia e we hu court akoniaba cases bebre kura we say ekodi kura ye nyamre nkodi ye demonstration no and last more than 3 hours and I mean just say so it's going to be a violent demonstration unless the police and other people decide to make it violent a peaceful and a demonstration on bay. Yeah. You more money in free na you say the as a necessary tension be Colombia. The because they make cannot answer. Yeah. I found we should go for say why
culture of silence.
It's not very palatable for the system.
Demonstration there me feel say I had to say opening opese uyi mframana enipa ho nti ufere
e ma yinu gra hin oda
waka onto atwe mo beti se aye cool
and ye bu ben se obo trabra otayem
Ghana oman sempanimfo mpese e betan yam dia wonyai na wonya
dia trabro no
na enra mode ayi has ne ayi ni ade sa moye ya na chese ne Olympics ne ade ne league ni one 17 Mayweather fight ne kra ya kan ho asem kra
na say no say exhibition fight you say
but that fight will not get the prominence like that
fight akwa na kra the same kra Logan Paul so one mi hu ne bobre kra o akwa tete sara
fight no
just I said you are kra kakra se no akwa no mu say I say mi hu sa agro bi no di o se den o ne a
that unim say hwe ade ba ko ne say boxing a different game altogether and you might be strong but Mayweather no the nyansa ne techniques no
nenye
or the na me check starts no over punches are padi ni true ye any the Mayweather true ye na the Mayweather land ye like times 2 of ono ne the anko true ye
yeah
means what you say
akwa
something punches Mayweather true be 120
yeah
but the Mayweather land no more
than ono the
land no
nenye kra we poor about pa uze we the any
wagini sika
enso mo de agiska kaka da so
me we na sika na yakofo one obey side no sika na yakofo mu
a ni sika ne de kwa me ya menwe because
na udi nkofo mse we dey blow money maybe so to kwa
na say for you know or invest e wa bre no so ni mo what I say on investment
ebe hia no a ene ne bi efri enra so say eye Callum Hudson Odoi Chelsea player okokoche o mampani yeah na un say oye say Obama England for
yeah
na nanu irusu ya won bobo players dim say we nyem kwan ntino wa be fi say oba be hwehwe akakra but oba ye Ghana for so pese ye di asase enya nwam
yeah
sanse boy no
good say house match be hwehwe
good player oh yes yes
Jesse Kramer no very customized Jesse pie there man also query
on fanche
on politics I want to
agware ti wodi on fine
say shako hen
ada yes Chelsea Jesse na say kwa hin ba yet Chroma say Chelsea Jesse dey kwa hin
I'm say has Jesse no
Jesse na say ayefe house nya say bia boss am kro na colorful okay and no say Jesse
the color be brace ade
and no me Jesse sheme obi traffic mo obi roll down I say
o ya has ni
nabi Oba me just so your house.
They are seven okay. Inti manye house for. They are seven okay.
But still
it is a poor ladies in one on.
They are seven okay.
Unim say, Abani. Unim. Adi e huma boy dey say, unim mom dey just in the man. Phobia ladies no. Phobia ladies here me.
Yeah. Omo wrong you know. Yeah.
Who so ya? Oh, gina nje. Anzi e muri ye o phone man boy ya.
Yes ni dey Amanda da mo na mo dia se man mpefa na e seda e ye man no. Okohwe ma.
I say Malika ko wanu mo to grey.
Say obai na mo ka che ne say the best team e wo kroma no e bobo. Our class post stadium. Ghana ha you the best team. Team ayebo league e o da first.
You be bebrebe your friend say. Ekurugu. Who's an house keep a friend of no what if I
ade ni be ko to nya da so chips away
but who plays so na akrofi bi so
be chips away
me ba na akrofi chips are that's why retired that
na fede na okay
is a player agent
nti bi ba no mo nti obi be ba mo kwa ya ni mo kwa
me see akrugu we so no retire
ba ko team foforo ade by force as a football no mo ana kwaku hu se okwa Adom online
mo no ko fa nkonwa din bi na mo de aba akrofi ono so fa
nkonwa din Fabio Gama kro bobo ami ko tia yi se Fabio Gama ti se Messi yes yes for sa no be ye wo kwaku me de hu bi pe
Eric Becky say o coach o
Fabio Gama o hwe
yi ne ball no et se Messi no o so ball no na onim de o de ball
Fabio Gama ti se Messi
oh yes
rise crow
o se ne ball ti se Messi 80
ne ball Messi hwe en kasa asem no
ayi Kwame
yes
eya menyesa
thing
eya menyesa and I know why ne ba ha Kwame so o hwe no de comedy
papa ni
unti ubi ka so say papa ni na say oni papa ni yepe
na tse bia me pen kakra we o man baby a Fabio Gama o wasa Ofie Brazil oni form Brazil so we bi kura mo rejected Brazil national team account yeah Brazil national team yeah Fabio Gama
na Brazil ni players go
oni mo bo on kan o Brazil o rejected goods o Brazil ni bo
ayi avante ya ayi Muhammad ni jesi ya ye kana sim sisi
odoi
and kasasem kro na fa no say England ya friend kasasem kro na bi fa no
oh ni kwade so bo Chelsea ano mo kwa bo Chelsea titire mu ye ejo no kwade o de
ejo ni mbanje nka England fon ko mo frɛ no say sa na ese o pɛ so o logic ya o de kasi
Fabio Gama
to de ne bodwe
Fabio Gama
enu ti no so onim team e friend has of folk no
na sa no so yo don Fabio Gama ye don o jina o so yo don kwaku court adi asem bi wa na mani agi yie pa de kyerɛ me matena efia toilet enimu da bebre ya say for landlords na ya fan am say omo si dan na omo nsi aganan ewo efie ho omo sa dia han nipa eti me say me kyerɛ say court re odi sa asemi metema man list efie ru afo be 4000 ya omo wan kran kro dua mu ha omo fie na omo si din han no no toilet kwaku na menim say fie sa no watra bi mu da nka case we wani baje papa kwaku na we no wala tabi okoshi na efieru ano osi toilet ni bi ofie but o mayan ko so sa de han yen e renter even though e high down ofie o no e tua coins and sa dia ko bi so
toilet no
ai na e wo mu abu e botan ya na
wa de hin bia
za toilet mi say wa hu bi da e water closet bi de chef am
am de chef concrete ni
na wa koto so to wi ano de one cup
what transfer na so
na bi ko to wi ano de one cup ka chire
okay omo
besi no da bi ni tini kura e wo fun kasa chef e wo fun team kwa hunu bi da
hu de ochi
eh ne mo de
wo se aduane no wo let no wo form
se ne e ba ko ne ba na
ya eti so no
e ano ne nko a won ano na e wo ho no
me ba seat no pe na wa to
omo mo du ano ne te se we no omo de
e na omo de seat ni bi ato so
team to ko to se ne ko to utwa to ompo
mo ntena so
da bi se ne utwa to ompo ano sa pepepe ntu wi an so ni tank no e wo ho na wa fa one cup milo chance ba ko na o de afire
yeah twa me
na dia so bi kase
oh da guy
anade no ya board na atuda o sa de ensu aguma
aguma ya enko na eni ade de flash te se wo na o man one cup and it's sending away
unya one cup no
etwitwi mu za na one cup bet me
anya na ayi chokoni ayi zongo dance na nya honya na wo kwaku na ebotan a na watum enti after 10 there utifio na oyam kanwa oni unyame yeka papa ya view bia na akofa ire small game by on the one kokoro timi pon toilet ni 8
akofa ire
small game by on the segas ne ko 8 o'clock no aloko toilet no akoda enti eme de pa se court no agena namu atwe omaso na unse kromo na yete no sa ukoka bibia fa afieru aho na usuro because we say over 2 yi ye say that needs papa bia okromo a
baby na do ne me fine
unse amama na aka no de aya only one say unu afieru akro nya wantwantwa ye wa bia de wotena asa ye guso hwe system ni mu anafu akokwa abrochi na ni kunu boro no bon ana okoka tira aban
sa de end sharp kra
baby de man tira ye no kra e guy say ni kunu fie ho
oba de oba nya ko kase sei
masa ni video ko no bi ni fridge ni ba bi akotana ko nya akora nka tese ni kunu mo ne twade da no ntena ho ota se enti efie ru afo na ya sai bi no tu tifie bi sai mo ne tesa enye sese wo hu court kra ta bi ni fa ne ko akora ko di fo na se o sai ba fie dia ano sa no wo one room bi an ko gisa case na chi na undi ma unya hwaso ma mi bu nkotena mu dia eti ya se fie ru afo no ya bom ka se nya o mo sa anko na omonkoye sa adwuma ni firi ho kwakuma start advocacy bi na wadu afidie esu yi de metime de atoso ewa ha afidie kase kwase
afidie nyane de o
kwase tumu de na nyumre de o de amano
kase ni dwumadie so kase na afidie so a
dwumadie no kura nyame de e betra ya me kan yo onju no ana ya me nka my onju
e free no miansa kwase no nsia
afidie ni nyane de o pani
ya ale gwagu me fa kwase twuma afidie so ah o de amao se
kakra mini du kakra yi
de afam wi
me fa afidie de afam wi so de asase mi atija ma ye hwehwe mo ahu se te say awofo ni bebre nkanka na omo amadi kan pom ho dada no omo san po omo manketo no so
say opese e balance
opo ni kunukura
on pese balance
kanko okoda na adweno osra se be ma ni tikwa bia ne mama so ni wanzo wono so ye kokko
odi tikwa ko de no wa
ya
ekuri bia ne mama so be ne odi tikwa ko de wa ko se ne de be kan o ye ne den na o be
wati nkurasa na obi a ye yi
ekun so ate afo no ho twon make us air condition ye
na ze all wrong
o da ne so ne ekuri bia
ekun ne fa ekuri bu anu o hyepa
da bi se
hian se be kan ho
kwame eti fansen ti wasra ne body na wo so bia obeda wo yes opese all wrong so e dey ahun be kan no
you should dog him kwamba so be pon dia
ebi yam nyina
wa ya se be po
eti kwaku mesre mpanifo na mo pom ho de me koma some years ago ba say de me nka biom omdo mo nyi no mo decide say o mesre o mo hunku and o mo de o masem ko but mesre o mo say enkwada no a o ma start pom no de o mo nyai okay me post two video no to social media na nko phone some o mo kan say some ko phone so o
nyai na ko ka say nyane ba no
eno ne ase nya na make trust on person balance no make I want it
because akwala ni chire akwala na aye tumu sa no a man for sa tip say eh na dey na get idiot what say no I will say
you don't know
it as early as you are 9 months 1 year
no what team kusra no
no team kusra o bo say boy no we say akwala na ye won no be ba me be cry friend say kwame on mama ye say jama akwala nya kokokoro no a and say onye cute but that is not true koku de mi ke so ti ase on be so mo say akwala de jama onye kokoa
mo enye kokoo nso e fine boys
ye ni e baby but ku the problem ni say
fine boys
obenyi no na on pesa de no me say honestly ka me pon me ho a ka bi ko ka me disown no something I don't like koku de mi ke so ti ase it is see how pokola yi na ni bete na woni bi odu SS na ho say miskin me ma me ya e beti ma han psychologically e beti ma kan disown nyina bo e to mu nyai na amanfo keka areas a onkofo yes apa but I don't want us to be dealing with areas me dem me futu
na say
before so be futu na
entire country ni e koso
bia no na abena kokko na munti pan futu ni to abra unua kana na futu
da bi sisi on fan to sa yen den
sa amanfo hwe
no mo hwe ne sa yen den
e yen den ye wanka be hwe ase
na o hwe ni ya sa na
o mu susu mo ye nuanu mo a sebe aba asem no etri so san
da bi ade wakwa na me kan say ewiase obia ho asem na o de ma ya obeka say umia asem what asem
ye no eche say na form sa enti empacho ko ti meet ba ko bia na abena kokko nam
enti e bori say meet bia no abena kokko na we the grass body
o me de na ibi ato Instagram grass nko aboyi obi won na won na Batman jina wa she sa ne apa roja so Spider-Man is here. Oh, Spider-Man say hello to my friend. Oh, afi wama Batman akata kro John kwa why confused. Batman John so refer to as Spider-Man.
Say hi to my friends.
They are so great.
Eti kwa ku media mesra a man no ntemi ye ba de say e me man tan to sa de nsra wo ma normally ya man no yes adwuma no ko kesi bi mo okro 3 months no mutimi sra wo mo
akora 3 months
enro no enema
akora 3 months je nkanya Vaseline ne nkutonkuto ya na de sra
yes obi okra onyim kra na tablet wo ha otimi
efa
eron kolan beba na se broni twum
enu tini yare bebrebe yo
ti apa kwala na dwen kra
na me ken
bagwagu omo epo mo so ni wan tie se
ne kwala na ba no hwe wanim se ya na wasi wani so
enu e woni body wa afani he ba woro no
akola kitu bia mi nim no obani ohwe ma mi anim se ya na wasi ne ei na dia asem kra akola unkasa ye na nche ye nyehwe ma me ni kura wo no ama no fo akaka ohwe na nim din se abo won na so
on the balance ni fini ma mi em ne bi
na bi onyi kakra bia
wa me fa na asasi so
kwa ya se omo mo pono so betuma po ba bia about two sides bi how we dey we mention one
I don't know
we had the home podda
akosu anana
akosu anya be kura yi fa se nkunim am podda akobo we hu
wo
akosu ano
we wo no he for tie kwa me say omo advance we first no eno ye tete asem we unse first omo nakle so wan yi a omo ya na yi say omo edu omo de ya ebe yini nya oh say we no omo wadru a eyi ni na ma ye clear kama the same wadru na no on yi on so
I'm yet to see
no dia hu ye ne say enwi wo ho a ye mpo ho ti say o clear enwi ni nyina what I say ya you pra enwi ni nyina fi wo dia
and then you know say you play that be you because I say we used to jail ni bi etini yi ni nyina ye kwam because kakraka okra enwi
e dey say crazy
they make out say yeah, the road and yeah, a yin suka kill, a minankasa etrium.
You'll be on with me planning now. When you see you let on. And the Inyabako crowd. Esa F5 nehne.
I 3-1
F5 ehne pa. Mose, obo on bezo be tiam obi on to de se wura ni botum se ya. No across.
I na bisa so ye me man de tinya sala. E man de so ko mo de. Ha? E man de ko mo.
When catch.
Hey. Because na ma tonto to dem so oboso sa. Ka be ko kaso a. Ko se jeans yo.
Ana ma dia is the timi ana hene kran so obo ni se obeti no obo.
We don't need to throw Pagu. What you said,
oh, but Romo, our pie.
I was also going to fail. I been started 11 now, but
for Morocco,
and you may imagine.
As a boy, almost so. I almost saw that you cook us watch up. But Utima, my accounts and the boss, which you get a crown. I won't catch it. I know they want me to know, but I saw how you treat down. I was top on our top base. What these are where they have to be canon. And your bag of crown on all these. Who's up with your skinny nut or showing a train's idea? And you
first, I am pet trouser to I always said,
Fita.
If I am pet trouser to research Kakrama.
Let you do it or so.
Yeah, not a Kujana see.
Oh, I was starting 11 now, but boss,
Memo, Razak Abalora on a better and the Adom and the Adom able to negate your men's about 3 Daniel Amati and then Nicolas
Amati
on a bebo a year 4 and 5 no na Baba Idris really maintaining Kanda only Emmanuel Muti more midfield na Jordan Ayu Samolusu Wadam Fana Nanoko to na Joe family ne Mohammed Kudus we money first 11 on the ball. So I boy mum there. It's here you because it didn't crowd and Kenya boarding there. Some can you the bonum and media me away. Yeah, maybe me.
You are fine.
I find all Nasa Nano day and so my finance will be performed. Then you may brutal. But I was only for you were near Boha life.
How you were?
Yeah.
On any one a bang. Get you to say, oh, pep bedroom.
Sentinel, because I some one.
Get you to know. I wish I'd pep bedroom, sir. The Kappa and Column born in your mom and you quit him.
Honey, switch off the light. Opinion.
Are the bridge and if you answer?
From my opinion. I had you.
We a bit me do just say Kim.
I could play the Louis outside. Open the mark of Economy. We are
when our favorite to tis our favorite in the day. Opening answer na me Charles T. New Jersey. Na said the form. I just say Oba ye ewo Asante Mampo Miami Krum. Na sinidini Oba Penny Teresa Amanfo. AKA Adwa Asantua. In Tichasi, Ebusian for more land in Italy, Canada, US, Belgium, Spain, the Boga for Yipa. Nyamia Doma 19th June, and the 20th June, a year never saw Santaman Ponti. Yes, I'm for say Amrana, Yenkuja Chastina, Nasia Yeno, and Yefe. Yet, Zuru Kings watch it. Zorokin.
You know so
na o se mbona homa mo so say we ira fi kakra. And so you say u gina uti bibi kakra bia na ira say fi. Say no na hu say o di futu ato say uti u say gina be pese ni bi.
Ala rasta ni.
O so be rasta ni bi.
Rasta fried rice. Kwaku u say wa mo ne ko say ya ma kwan say eye wi ntampi ya ni hyehyɛ ne na yi ni de nkɔfo.
Eba ayi ɔde ayi de fam yi ma me fa we fam sisi ana ye nto eno so ayi Madam for Dr. Drew ewo Atlanta, Georgia.
Atlanta.
Ono so o de nyehwe o ATL ono so ne ma me da fam say ye ka say Oheneba Lydia Adjoa Ampoma Foster. Eti nyame ya adom abosom ye wo mu ye on the 19th and then the 20th. Ena na yi on be baso esiakwa Eastern region. Nti oni ni nuanu mu nyina Mr. Stephen Odru, managing director Edema SIC, and Miss Matilda Odru, deputy director Ghana Prisons. Any abusuafo na aka ni nyina no etonsa from Manforce nyame ya adom on the 19th and then the 20th of this month June ya wo esiakwa ena ayi on ebaso nti du ana yakota wo nachi se enra mi be fi akono ena information ba bad na me ya nam se da bi minya na mo am bo akira ade am de kind pa ye mana ne bia na one e ko ba jesi na edisa yi na later ye na ye betu so mu na die na die na eno eye tosho shoto chali
na ayi wi hu asem un se krom ha no emra na kire se wi no untimi nkotobi emfa eja antum se o hwehwe na banku ba de emra kire na we de o be se udua de a I think say 11th last year May 11th and yeah course edi ho ko share pact bi say ndie idua ne de obetimi adua na aye commission actually say application sem crofodi abegu ho pentam penadua ne de nyasem ketwa companies ni individuals o mu nyina pese o mu do mu hyem na o mu dua bi na anu for medicinal purposes
okay
and as industrial purposes no asem no just say nkofo ho nyana just o mu nya bi o mbedua
oh say business and now say for medicinal who say your companies be brave omo use you no as omo ayo raw material omo dey eka omo production ho
na boys no say omo ntwam yemfa nkoye duro omo so use na mono mono
omo so dey yeah na won etwaja tumu
adi muso bi ko fa tia ko duro ya
e dey ayo
wa dey so on dey person o use fa wa ti la fa mu fu na mo chire wo
one benin sir Rasta one benin sir okay happy birthday and come Ruth Agawu Ashaman Motorway Total Service Station and wishing you long life and prosperity. We if he James Nanafo and Che or say and come Ruth and Woody Wawuda. Adam for a Victoria Broker.
Victoria said a net bonidin.
And Victoria Abroka, aka Asaman Kessi Beyonce, Mabodi.
Think I'm one of them on the sign. I'm saying, now also want to say, yeah, catch the bread. He said,
Omumidin. And yeah, Mabodi. Okay. Happy birthday in advance to my lovely wife, Akosia Felicity, from your lovely husband, Nicholas Akwe Anan. Hey, Nicholas Akwe Anan. Mr. Anan, Eddie Akane Fantaso. Say, oh, you, I heard I say, transmission site, Ubutu, multimedia transmission site, Ubutu. And he was saying, Adoma on the 12th of June, and Ubedi Naudano. Hey, I go do your day, and I want to Mutemzano. Okay. Now, Mammy, we be quickly. Say, Enra, and now Kofi Simpi, editum, but a Tifasuma. Oh yeah na ose Adjoa Abokuma. Oh, Adjoa Abokuma. And Kofi Simpi on Twitter say my chief security is +1 today. Kindly wish her a very happy birthday in good health and wealth. Dearest, happy birthday to you. Ajwa Abokuma. Nti nyame inshallah na ontonkwanem. On your case.
Dina Ado, aka Akosiachra.
Akosiachra.
And Kolano bleaching us some the memo hopa, very, very disgusting.
Good.
You super food disgusting.
Disgusting, yes. And very nice, pa. Or how be any HD.
Come on, this one, meeting can get the enemy, maybe in your case in this one. When you're me, that's your Kellintes for my wife.
Okay.
Open Gangnam Style.
Oka Kellintes is in Aminfa and Cha Emma Top Spice. Sabi Walande Ewa Ghana all the way from ATL. Na oye one correct guy. Say uye event be away wabaga na oba be event o. Say uye event na say oton safre Top Spice na oba masa. Said ye be ye dekonini adine ni nuane no ewurade international standard pa ene ho drinks mo ne ade no chale jai enye easy eti Top Spice ye tu chema welcome back home. We also say welcome to Ghana, my big sister, Mrs. Sarah Erajua Ishan. You're on holidays from the UK, and I also want to wish you a happy birthday, though belated, and also her daughter Nana Ishan, and also Yamano Akwaba to Ghana. This one came in from Ruby. I'm saying, come on, you are a more day. Yeah, the bros is here.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow, and young offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pedrian Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Rientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row, at to 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadi and Kratui Maja to Musay.
Charlie, you make ready for UEFA Euro 2020 and now. Media, I make radio. With Go TV, media set it. No size. The players, Ronaldo, Mbappe, Lewandowski, no size. From 11 June, come 11 July, share UEFA Euro 2020 live on Super Sports. With Go TV, so now enjoy expert panel analysis. Papa B, I won't baby. For 109 Ghana cities, pet koji with decoder, antenna, any one-man plan subscription. Visit a GoTV dealer or SMS GoTV purchase to 1731. T's and C's apply. GoTV, love it.
Na family planning and any.
Huria, a yasum so. I figure me to minimum get it snazzy egg dream bread away about Tosu. Wabranya fena ya na Huria. Now why I didn't go. Huria, I fancy I show my kitchen swingy and to meet him the compose I just said, you know, be man. I
say, ain't even a year so yes, the caddy be the shopping. Answer our catchery.
Huria, and your kind of yes, Berman sees so much my day.
Wow.
And one Bomskin. Family planning.
And ne wapo modin juma ye nini kita hone ya. Wo family planning hihye ya. E yama wo na ho kafo. Family planning wa ma wo hihye bra wo pese wo. Ene emadodo a wo be pese wo be wo. Good life. Abra popa, boni ye and Kaipwe Ghana Health Service, USAID. Ene won aboafo ene de brain.
Family planning. Good life.
so sa magania magana wo Europe sia me hu magahoho Euro 2020 amaya denu 9 na dey boni wo tournament ba ko a e dey niche stone compre football fans gina 51 matches efifie da 11 June kosi 11 July why na eji kruwa kesi so no multimedia yana yaje Euro 2020 na yiri yediase live in HD e wo yen TV no so share matches e wo HD plus decoder so Adom TV channel 103 Joy Prime channel 102 Joy News channel 101 Euro 2020 you HD plus decoder HD plus a HD experience partner Emma multimedia Euro sumremo live commentary so tuatua e wo yen radio ahodo no so yen social media no so de jai achinye bia ni ho say Euro 2020 fie no ne ha enu nti wo hwe yen na wo tie yen Euro 2020 ya dia poso Euro 2020 and you may Betway for the love of the game. DBS Industries, Roofing Papa Fee, Savannah Paint, we all go paint some, Shield Paint, the premium paint.
The battle lines are drawn. 16 schools are ready to do battle for supremacy and the bragging right as the best school in debating.
In a country where everything is politicized, the church is the only body which is separate and independent to criticize the government when they go for unpopular interventions.
Another instance is the Ayewo-Suwagon by-election, where unknown marksmen were seen dressed in the Ghana police SWAT uniform and caused great tension at the election ground. These men were later on denied by the commander-in-chief of ever being part of the Ghana police service.
Make a date from Monday, 31st May, as we bring you fierce and insightful arguments in the Love FM High School debate. Catch it live online on Facebook at LUV 99.5 FM on radio and Joy Prime, Joy Lennon on Mondays on TV, Wednesdays and Fridays at 1 p.m. each day. The Love FM High School debate.
Justice on Adom 106.3. Adom FM 106.3. Ghana's most authentic radio station. Top.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
That's right. Check your time now. 3 after 5. That's 33 minutes after 5. This is 106.3 Adom FM. This is yours truly, Jerry, and this is your own show, Ofie Kwanso. Okay. Say them dika de two when you know. Din komo kakra. Na komo we know komo be a very, very important. Ni nyina ne say unni empumuden a unni ahoden a jo abrabo no enko yie. Sika ne da hokra na ahoden no adwo anije ne mma. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I tell me to me dinkomo se be na ahoden no betimi akoso a they can dey be hustler isabe cash no, you know what I'm saying? Diabeko Alaji Vision heba na enyomo atwe nkomo na fe ya toaso Alaji akwaba se bibia boko
Chejampo Nyankopon Adom.
Ye nyame ase. Yeso ye ho ye. Adom ni nti bibia kakra ne ade a. Timbe kan sasa na ye ni age na yetimi ahwe nema ya betimi aboa na mpom tintin no ne ade na afi ndro no cause last free consultation bi am say do now try as my ini ade na e boy pa akwa bi your friend no so na ni age pa na some problem no hon tino
am for body pa o
why ade
very crowd in the program come we say what do papa
all right it's ye trust then ye hwe de over the mind
if I show me din ba me just why Alhaji Idris am da Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic eye kokomremre yani Adom FM dan kese yachi you say kwani brother be from Alhaji Adom Alhaji Joy timfa show yeri cha kese ma tiefo nyina e de ba Adom FM dan kese yi mu
sure
na nyumre se twedi amponya kopɔ de yankwa che ama yasa beduru ha dia na wase dia sedadi kama twedi amponya kopɔ e pa show tie me bebo how bi so sa how no bi da so a bo modi ne tu na mo ne be hume ewo Adom FM kokomremre aha wo de wo yira kra wo de bedu Adom FM ha wo de frɛ me ana wo bisa security for na pa che mo de obeba mpa che oti ani hu how bi da so eno de hu hiam tita bia brajare ya me boso eye ani hu how bia da so bia se bia tiare bi na wanya na akofa aba ana bia diabetes bi na aba so na akofa sade na bro ana bia wanya body pressure na eye pressure bi na akofa sade na bro doctor buku se be operation e ba sa na e attach me ba wani so e ma wani so timi ya wisi so na ma se asa nwa gu ani so wo se ade wa kira wo hu e na obi so ho a ben so wo hu so obi Quran na Bible mu a wotumi ye dai enku na wes na ye nketenkete e ba sho tie men kwaye operation okwaye operation ati se wa fa bo ato abodan mu before se saade no bebe woni so na ye wo how bi na atechima wo nipa duan mu na kofa saade ne ba eno nti na large vision twedi amponyankopon yimi aba se me fa bibidro me ye me pa che ho no ye nya operation ho ena ye mfa dro mu ye ni so eyen haban nuro ye ni aye mam ha enu atwedi amponyankopon de a che ye eye nubra enua hini ene nua no maba ene nua ne hini ena twedi amponyankopon de a che me de ye sa adwuma no pa che otie eye diabetes bi na abeto so wo de akini ache wo nya no aduro obi ho asabi okasa na enka wonanum e ba choti yare na beto so wo de akini ache me mo boss bebre wo de akini ache wo de aye how ene dawo so wo se yare wo de no an be kun pa choji number we na frɛ me 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78 ba cho tie ni ye me se ani hu how bi da so afa number yi na frɛ me se diabetes na tete wa fa na frɛ me se BP bi na abeto so na pesa de okɔgu ma fa na frɛ me pa cho tie me yɛ mpaebɔ me yɛ sunsum ne honam ne adwuma inshallah oba wo how bi da so bia me do be wura mpaebom na ma ho aduro so ano mo ho beto ne ba cho tie man fibroid ne ha mo fibroid adansidie nkwa na eba de bia me ka se yare fibroid akwa te se dua ya etwa so so ma me bi ba me ho wie ya ma me hwe no wo se bra me yɛ operation 2010 fibroid operation ebe sinema me na won ntimi ma na oba twedi amponyankopon da roma de bia me ka se odua bi owura mo ye fe dufochie ne se dua bi buto fom na se cha bi wo kra dansium ade bi fifi wo ho hwa ade se fibroid no pepepepe man ba ko ka chem se media ne de ye se eya mama ntien tumi na ne na se me yefo chiri wade enka se wunwu a nti fibroid no ba me de chiri wade be ka no be wo afa ho afa ba inshallah e pa chotie awo ho ye de ma e bia wo ye wedding no bia wo how bi na beto so ana bia ya tokra de ma pa chotie wo ye oba obema obra me ye free so Odisha na to nsa nom tentam wonom nsa wi cocaine tramo de bia meka ho asem me ye bi ma bom pa ya ma nipa nuru ama sade ni nyina ne wo haw na abeto awofo no so na etete wo ekom no afiri wo mo so amom ho ato mu ipa che otie ni ye ma mesisi are bia beto so obi o se mesisi ya me ya mintumi ntena se driving crane on tumi ntaka mu crane wa de watwi car pa che otie sa haw ni nyina da so age number in frame 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 e ba chotie e bia wo so pesa wo sote eno so buy ho draw wa haban no be de ma stretch marks na go obi se stretch marks ni adro me kire wo se dua bi owuram se wo hu dua na kokko ho apapa te se de esi ye na eno nam de sa adro na twedi amponyankopon waboa bibifo Bible na sema o kase ni dua na ba ne fa haban sa on so o kan no Ezekiel o sa ko kan Revelation yes I say yankopon asem ye den entwantro kan no kre e pa chotie yare bia no ho ani adro sade komshedi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam o kan wo hadisi bim wasi yare bia no ho ani adro na se obi ka so bema wo adro dia enye no kre enti wo how bia da wo so bia na wo de akini ache empanifo bu bese de won tete atche mo ancha wo nya supa nom wo de how na chini why labs a che wo twa scanner che me pa che otie number na frame 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78 if I show how ne down so de akini ache se said the Yankopon Adom I've been sending local US papa obi also do be kan bia ya adwuma enti na me chia sister Kuya e wo New Jersey man Kuya Yankopon hyira o ma hode ne nkwatenten Yankopon mo a woni okuno awrade onka mo ho me ba sho tie ni ye me so how be da so se wo brichi se wo Ghana eno ne ye be send am wo no so insha Allah ho beto yare koko de bia meka koko ho asem bra wonim so obi ho timba me so otimba me ho na nani afra na koko na afra nani yare koko bi ho a che won ho ena koko so de bia meka se koko nya yare bia obetima ko hospital de machine be check hu se koko wo chi se me Alhaji Idriso twedi ampo Nyankopon ache me ani enti me hu a na wo how be da wo so me hu a meka kire so how we na da wo so ha wa akofa sa yare we abro but you how be da wo so wo de ananti ache me pa che o ma no obi o ho ne obu ne nsa emma obi aba me ho say 2 months ni me mu me sada 3 months hey na brother na no me ka say won change car kura wo de na say won change wo na how be na esi o say car ntimi nanti na oba na wo te 2 months 3 months but you no mo munya fibroid no sa mo ja fina eta wa ya say ntimi pie na fa hin ne wo e bra o fibroid esi wa wo ho kwan afi ko wara wo na problem we say abayifo na da bi so ba wo na abayifo na yo American chiro inshallah e pa cho tie well, how not now was watch it? Number in the San Frame 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 Kokomremre Adom FM Dankesi na chi hotel bi friend Rex Hotel me dey hwia de mu mpacho so yira ba Adom FM ha security for mpacho gu so wo Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic oba wo de wo be ba mpacho tie ne ye ene network ne nye enti sa wo frena se ma wo de Bradom Joy FM Kokomremre obiti mi ka se Joy FM de se wotema mpacho ne ma me sa no ka so go pie tema se se wa mpacho ti Adom FM Kokomremre ene Joy FM nyina ho no mo enti sa wo yira wo de ba bia wo free ba bia Kokomremre Joy FM Rex Hotel ani mo ho na me wo so how be that so wo de bra na me hwema wo yo senior dog edika ka say bia na afi no bidi na fidie ni ato ha eye ni ho adwuma na ye no ewo ahanum se Kokomremre ha Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic na ote ye nka no baby bia wo bia wani how say ye kuku na ma wani ni how ana say diabetes ana pressure ana say bia cataract glaucoma na ba wani no so amesrew ana say bia wonya kwanhia bi ana bia nyini bi na akofa oni how bi e de abra amesrew transo Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic ewo ya Kokomremre wa so ya ne ma wadura wo benom ai ba ohru wani no e be fa ntene ne mu akoye adwuma na ahru wani no so na ma wani no so aiden e de adaho e de amawo e se nkwala no de bia me ka se penifo na sa awofo no ya mu check nkwala no mu free school ba ya mu ne mu ni nkomo e se dem ya ye kan ntene e se nipa bebre na de omo ma na eden e ba ya so ya ha ye hwe omo mba na e de ema wo mo eno na e ya ema nkwala bebre e de fail enso hwe e bia na wani nko instead enso de bia nkwala no ko school e ba kama yi bibia nto ba ni nkwala ni nkomo na bisa se teacher trade wo board so ampura uhu ana na osi da bia na mpacho fa no Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic because nkwala no omo na ye dachi na dok di ka se kuku ni bi nso wo fa mpacho ebu obakra so ntimi nya de entrance to ntimi ntina se no ba be no abenom safo no hasem ne yake de dro ko twa so amanati etia ebe samba because yare ne ewo moja nim ti me man koko no papa twedi amponya ko pa cheme koko en haban makomako 7 no me didi koko hu adwuma nko yare koko betima siwa wo ho kwan be ma koko betima kun be ma koko betima ma osisi aye wo ya obu ase be body ni mo hiheme yes koko betima tete wa hwe ya baka so bi na ato odro baka da sorry fie typhoid ene how yare typhoid de bia meka typhoid tete obi sa ma me ne ba ye wo se allergy obi na ato odro se ma me da bi obi na ato odro anka odro anka meka kire eye typhoid ne how mama ne nura no me twedi amponya ko pada roma ne ho ato no we ya be ma bia wa ye mre wo mpampacho de bia ma ne ya meka kire mo se okunu no bia woni ne ofie na o problem mpacho nye ntokwa ena mema no so saa ye so ye ka ho bi se otuo na mon den ebe ba ya so mpacho ji number no ne frame me 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 mpacho gonoria bia beto so how etiti wo mpacho tie e bia no betima kun be ma so betimi dia ne yare abro e bia ya meka se we ho spiritual marriage eno so me ye ho adwuma pa ho dia no obi na obi ni wa beda ho ho obeda be sori bia na obi ni wada oni se ma yare e ma yare se uniama Obo se be eno so no honhom no bi ho ti ma okwan so your ba na be obeti ma okwan wa akọware beta ware no wani nyi wa
enye yida wa say
no obo se be ma ne hu anim kwa na ne boy de na ne bu afu se oba no so ne be hu anim obo se no oteteo na ne bu afu ba che otie no nyina nya honamani oba ye be hwew enua enubra ne haban ye be ma ma nsam na wo de bedware ase sa honhom fi na o ha wo na o tetee wo no se ye to ma no so otimi tran so bi alaje ohum ye twam inshallah ye de mpa bo beta wachi ahwe wa ma ho ato wa how be da wo su bia mpa che odite wo de chini ache wo nya no wo de je number no 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78 Eba cho tie me se wo so o pese wo so tie abra na be home te bia wo yo ba na be ma bia wo so o pese wo so tie e no bra na be home na be ma bia wa ye mre wo mpampa cho tie ye wo manpower papa wo ho a wo betimi abo adwuma ma mra bo ne nsema ma wo manpower papa
na no nyesa wo no ma na de ko ye adwuma
sie system wo adwuma wo no ma na sie oni
bia wo boss a na kese
na wo kra na se wo nya game ma wo de agudi
o boss a se ni honam hyehye no o boss dog me hu me ba bia me na se nyina hyehye me e ba cho saafo ni nyina me sro tutuanamon na bla alaji vision herbal clinic e wo koko memle Adom FM dan ye chi he ya
na ya bibidro ne de ye adwuma pa cho mo ntie ni abibidro ho ye nya operation ho ye
asma
wo de wo how be da so a dodo akonya ba ko phone taso nchenti wo how be da so bia na je number no frame na e ka ho asem chem 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26
so this year been so be a stroke
Hanos
abona to ho
Hano tete no
na safi na e ba
ye nde yo me pa cho me se fa ne bra twedi ampo nyankopon da roma o how be da so bia na ya na meka no wo de ya mo boso bebre because how be da so de number ne frame 0502
0502
18 71 78 0502
18
71
0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26
Kokomremre Adom TV dan kasi achi ne oboda me se wo yira wo de bra
okay and omo diabetes aha omo aja omo jonso bebre anajo no and we sa ohunsuo ni nyina na ye den jonso edi tu
haban wo ho no bedi kan dia ye ti
anom
ama sa no na kwansa no ma diabetes
no na nkasa
be no ma inshallah be yi ni nyina fi wo ni padua no
jonso bebre na sa ohun say sugar na diabetes na ha wa pacho allergy vision ha ba
haban bi so ho makabu me makoma so because Australia ponyankopon bibia na ye papa bia ye 7 ti no so makabu
ati no o no ma na ye shia na aka no so wan say that's it sa na ti bon ye bon gaga
but 0242 81 24 26 0242
ma me bacho
network ni nye
na ye kan say
Hello, the bedu Ethiopia. Ethiopia na mama. Oh man. I'm sorry, I trust you. I'm going to 106.3 Adom FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Now, finally, Jollof no, the Bemana had the pano and I be pimun. What I say? That mixture of carefully, hand-picked spices. I just said representing the, aromatic chicken and juicy tomato flavor. I just said ni na kakabum sana na ma de na tasty pan, and they are fit na pimu. So go on and try the new fried seasoning shrimp. I fed chicken, mixed spices, and I fed tomato flavor. No it comes in tablet and powder as well. Yes, for your tasty meals, Papa B. Fried seasoning, tasty womb. Fried love your food, love your life. Okay, so abra alaji vishimo amotrans na anchebia etimu ana mo hwe wo Facebook live na wana me fa me phone no e pacho enio mo hwe Me find me phone na me aso ha na Glovo ya. Eti me bottom mu a. Ana na ja me check mpacho app no eni na mabie. Ehwa na me yese o ma me hwɛ sɛ menya eye turkey wings bi ni ade a. We grilled turkey wings. Me yen sisi oh ene some make say omo de abai sisi amu say ekura African or de room no ene e deliver de abai sharp on Glovo enu ani app no ti me phone ye guta me amete mankasa manye call manye hwe mete ya me boss wa pa ene e de abrami we I cram in somewhere I just studio henna say we eye turkey wings krokrokoku me ejebia mbepon me sane out to happen no me bebobom sesi ya kama abusia wo twa den you need to download the Glovo app on your phone. Download it on your device. Bibi here obi a person to bia Glovo e be sort out within the shortest possible time. On say omo transfer omo kasa ya me ni omo gusu kasa na pa na me fa phone no e na pa me ya na me call restaurant na me ya na me select mame cho restaurant na me select edifie no mame fan chem na muhu on the screen mo amo you know so no here poquitos wa na me order from any Africans here we to na me point me mama start where for dia ha na me order de no efie enu ani e na app no so no enti patcho menye ja ho download the Glovo app now, Joe. Who make mistake big time? Download it. Bibi on your restaurant, supermarket, Glovo drinks, package delivery, shops and gifts near there, and then in the middle, you anything. Categories here why biano. The only doesn't fall in there. Now I call anything. Now I they up. Not just say no. Na bibi echo ye edema come. Just go now. Echo download the app no. From a Google Play Store and now say App Store, depending on the device I will use. What I say now, a name go so amount a promo code. I also bet me I share now. What they did what I say now. Person will send you delivery be na bibi a person a Glovo a amount biano ye bay at the amount. And you can say Metia na ye name friends a large vision mo ye na no. Now I was on the phone. Me order and me who say at the neighbor. Ade neighbor sa ne ade ati because every year you be amo update you no one me order na no match em so restaurant na shall say air prepare we are say I ready deliver they am delivery into ono so dey ba ne ade sa kopem say aduan ba be do studio asisi a metia make say turkey wings grilled turkey wings mi wie na mabobom pa na chese me o twa dey jo. Download it right now. GLOVO Glovo. What I say? Just download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, what's signing up? Now, where you use our promo code we Glovo Adom. That is GLOVO ADOM. Glovo Adom. GLOVO ADOM. And one know them. Our first 3 orders will be delivered for free. What I say? It counts this year and a foundation because they say there and no one echo. Oh, I did be a person pick him on echo dropping off our different office, different place being the man near there. Nina, no, it was our app Korea, so be a bit me a queen. App no so user friendly, very easy to use near there. Did you chat to because they say on echo, the beer near. One year, this sort of crack. You know what I'm saying? Check it out time now. Just about 6 more minutes to check out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 FM. His name is Daco Vibes. He calls this one Inner Song and it features King Promise. Yeah.
She did make a grace with a body shape. Yeah. Give me good soup. Follow for you on the first day.
See what?
You know you're dimmy nice one, yeah. Oh, you change my deal, one for a while. Oh, you change my deal, one for a while. All the man I was just the good school, yeah. Won't make it no say, wow. Won't make it no say, wow. Never let you go, say, wow. I put all the energy you give me in the song. All the good vibes you give me in the song. I put all the love that you give me to everything, my my pretty little things. See, I never. Put all the energy you give me in the song. When I go to fight, you give me in the song. I put all the love in that you give me to everything. My pretty little things. See, I never.
Oh
I give you my body, girl, I give you my soul. I give you anything you want, make I know. Oh my girl, you blow my mind, yeah. Honey, my girl, like a boy, love me, come on. No need to money, my feet, and I know. Oh my girl, I know the lie.
And a happy birthday going out to my daughter, Angel Osei Abuaje of Cradle Basic School, Redco. Wishing you all the best in life. Yeah. And may this birthday celebration be that beautiful, incredible, and unique as you are. From your family, Esther Nyako Jr., AC, and then Clement Osei, and then Efeli. Okay, wishing you a happy birthday. You are 8 years old today.
Send me a location, I go come. I'm going to the moon, and if I come back, send me a location, I go come. Below, you know I find you amusing. You find you where you are. Oh baby, I beg you, make you choose me. You know you find you special.
Mindu Wagro, Mindu Wagro, All right, Vodafone Samen Kancho says they say, or the good morning of Ano Abba. Yes, Tigana for Mutie. Now you can have an even greater morning with the Vodafone Good Morning offer. The Good Morning bundle gives you unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers, 5 minutes talk time to other networks, and 500 MB data. Yeah, and also enjoy Eddie Akaho or Chatum Sisia. Now, this bundle works with any other bundle you have or will subscribe to. So just call this short code 543 or dial *543 hash to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 cedi. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone. Together we can.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was me di mobile money. Suya me wafa workers car. Nanso charges kwa 380 cedis.
Won send this kan kwa ho charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so.
Me ni atie. Se wo be move akọ Vodafone cash and ka wo be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Me say me network ne die.
Tie. Won send this ka was sawo network no so no. Yeto won send this ka free wo network no so akwa network foforo no. Eno so yeto na emum tie asem de pa. Won send this ka wo Vodafone cash so a free. Won send this ka free Vodafone cash akwa network bia so eno so ye free.
Masa inti wa ka try me.
Oda so ye dan was sawo network no so.
Move bra Vodafone cash se Hey, masa leadership na to bola musisi a.
I know say there won send this ka wo Vodafone cash so akwa network bia so a free.
Send this ka do bia
emprendo do bia akwa network bia so free. Dial *110 hash se in send this ka.
All right, welcome back to the show. But before we check out of here, big shout out going out to you, Big Sheriff, and your dear wife Obasima Nana Ekuya Safwa. Yes, all the way in Antwerp, Belgium. Special greetings going out to all of you. And more Belgium, you know what I'm saying? It's all for the love. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's checkout time already. Yep. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. It's been nice coming your way with a Tuesday's edition of your own show, Ofie Kwanso. Let's do it again same time tomorrow, God willing, between 3 and 6 p.m. And that's going to be the midweek's edition. Yeah.